Atari 2600, Commodore PET, Namco Arcade Cabinet, BBC Micro, Astro Wars, IBM 5150, Sinclair ZX81, Commodore 64, Sinclair ZX Spectrum, Nintendo Game & Watch, TRS-80 DT1 Data Terminal, Vectrix, the Apple IIe, Nintendo Entertainment System, Amstrad CPC 464, Commodore 4 Plus, Commodore SX64, the Einstein, Atari 520 STE, Commodore Amiga 1000, Cray 1, NEC PC Engine, Sharp X68000 Expert, Mega Drive Genesis with the CD add-on and 32X. FM Towns, Nintendo's Game Boy, Sam Coop, Macintosh Classic 2, Super Nintendo/Super Famicom with the Super Scope, Commodore Amiga 500, Nintendo 64, Power Macintosh G3, Cool People That Made It All Happen,